नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I'm Dr. Lily Trivedi and I'm going to take a subject botany of Faculty of Education and Methodology, and the subject paper name is Anatomy, Ecology and Evolution. The session is vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Now, vascular tissues come under complex permanent tissues that are made up of more than one type of cell. They work together to form particular function and they are very necessary for the survival of plants, and they are of two types, xylem and phloem. Now we continue with the xylem. The xylem consists of vessel and xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma, so what are xylem vessels and xylem fibers? Xylem vessels are long tubules. They occur in, their lignified walls are there. They occur in flowering plants and they are more efficient. They are formed by the end-to-end union of large number of dead cells. The vessels and tracheids are conducting elements of xylem. They conduct water and minerals vertically. The xylem fibers, they are skeleton fibers, sclerenchyma fibers found in the xylem. They have thick petted walls, narrow lumens, and tapering ends. The xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma consists of living cells and is present inside the xylem. It stores foods and helps in lateral conduction of xylem, of water. So the function is mainly conduction of water from the root to the top of the plant. The movement is unidirectional and it provides mechanical strength. Why? Because thick lignified components of the cells are present. The wood, which is mainly made up of xylem. Here you can see the vascular bundles of dicot stem, and here you can see the xylem and the phloem tissue. The xylem and phloem make up vascular tissues of plant, as already said, and they transport water, sugar, and important substance. Now, those plants which have this xylem and phloem are known as vascular plants. But we have some simple plants like mosses and algae which do not have xylem and phloem and therefore are called non-vascular plants. Xylem and phloem are also associated together always in the form of vascular bundles. Now they transport through the water and from roots to leaves. Phloem is responsible for producing food from photosynthesis and to transporting it. So phloem, we come to phloem, which takes part in the conduction of organic food. It is a living conducting tissue because the living cells are responsible in the transport. There are four types of cell elements: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. The sieve tubes are elongated, living, tubular conducting channels. They have again transverse end walls between the adjacent sieve tubes. The cells are perforated and they are called sieve plates. They have vacuolated cytoplasm. The nucleus degenerates and the cytoplasmic strands are continuous between the adjacent sieve tubes. Second is companion cell. They are thin-walled, small and elongated and have dense cytoplasm and nucleus. The nucleus controls the sieve tubes and keeps them living. Phloem parenchyma. Parenchyma is present in phloem. It is thin-walled and living, and the function is again storage and conduction of lateral conduction of food. The phloem fibers are the only non-living component of phloem. They are thick-walled, elongated and spindle-shaped. They are dead cells which produce narrow lumen and provide mechanical strength to the tissues. The function of phloem is transport of organic food throughout the plant. Conduction occurs in both sources, and the phloem fibers of some plant sources are commercial use fibers like jute, hemp, and flax. If we compare between xylem and phloem, xylem conducts water and minerals, phloem conducts organic solutes of food material. Xylem is unidirectional, phloem is bidirectional. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers, whereas phloem consists of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Xylem is dead and living or living parts. The tracheid, vessels, and fibers are dead, whereas only xylem parenchyma is living. In phloem, sieve tubes, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma are living. Only xylem fibers are dead. The xylem provides mechanical strength also, whereas the phloem provides no mechanical function. So thank you. My lecture was taken from these references. I hope you have liked my lecture. And if you have any queries, you can write in the comment box. This session was powered by digital version 2.2 of JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH. So thank you very much. Namaskar.